Hi, boys and girls. Now we're on lesson 2 for our fractions, and it sounds very similar to lesson 1, to decompose fractions as a sum of unit fractions using tape diagrams. But obviously, we're going to take what we learned in lesson 1 and expand it a little bit. So again, they give you a sample. Step 1, you're going to draw and shade a tape diagram of that fraction, so 5/6. So you need to draw it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are sixths because we have that 1 that shows that 1 broken up into 6 equal pieces are sixths. 5 are shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to record that decomposition as a sum of unit fractions and then record it in 2 more ways. So you have to figure out 3 different ways that fractions will equal 5/6. So for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/6, 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 5/6. Or 2 plus 2 plus 1, that equals 5, so that's 5/6. Or 1 plus 4. 1/6 plus 4/6 is 5/6. Okay, so let's get started. So our first one was 6/8. So we need to draw our tape diagram, and for eighths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one whole split into 8 equal pieces. Each piece is an eighth. 6 are shaded. So how could we do that? Well, we could do 3/8 plus 3/8 because 3 plus 3 is 6. We could do 5/8 plus 1/8 because 5 plus 1 is 6. We could do 4/8 plus 2/8 because 4 plus 2 is 8. Okay? So could you do 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8? Yes, that's an awful lot to do though, isn't it? So try to find different combinations. Now we have 7/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One whole, you have to label the whole, broken into 10 equal sections. Each section is 1/10, and we have 7 of them shaded. So how can you make 7/10? Well, 3/10 plus 4/10 because 3 plus 4 is 7. 5/10 plus 2/10 because 5 plus 2 is 7. 6/10 plus 1/10 because 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 10/12. Oh, so we have our whole and we have to break it into 12 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 10 of them are shaded. So how can we make 10/12? Well, 3/12 plus 7/12 because 3 plus 7 is 10. 5/12 plus 5/12 because 5 plus 5 is 10. 6/12 plus 4/12 because 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we have 5/4. So we know that our whole is going to be broken into 4 equal pieces, and then we need one more. So we need to label the whole. So 5/4. Well, we could do 3/4 plus 2/4 because 3 plus 2 is 5. We can do 4/4 and 1/4 because 4 plus 1 is 5. We could do 1 plus 1/4 because that's what we have, 1 and 1/4. Okay. 6/5. So we know that our whole is going to be broken into 5 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our whole, and then one more fifth. So for 6/5, 3/5 plus 3/5 because 3 plus 3 is 6. 4/5 plus 2/5 because 4 plus 2 is 6. Or one whole plus 1/5. And finally, 1 and 1/4. So we know that the fourths, the whole, is broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and each is 1/4 and then 1 extra fourth. So altogether, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fourths. So 1 and 1/4 can equal 4/4 plus 1/4 because 4 plus 1 is 5 because 5 are shaded. 1/4 can be 3/4 plus 2/4 because 3 plus 2 is 5/4, or 1 and 1/4. Or 1 and 1/4 could be 1 plus 1/4. Seems good. Oh no! So I hope that didn't mess up the video because it just did the move it. So if it did, I'm going to preview it, and if it did, I will redo it. Otherwise, you just gotta quick move it. Okay, great. So have a wonderful evening. I'll see you at school tomorrow. And